Hey, good Thursday afternoon, YouTube. Hugmeister's Garage and Workshop. Today we're putting in a little floor tile. Got this from, VEVOR. And it was $104 a box with a coupon for 50 square feet. And so far, so good. I had to pour some floor leveler on some low spots here, and it's going down fast. I'm doing like 5 at a time on the table and then just laying them down and pounding them in, but I think I'm gonna like this stuff. It's got a bunch of squares on the back. I'll show you that, and I'm hoping that gives me just a little bit of an air gap, so maybe my feet won't be so cold on this concrete. But that's what I'm guessing. But this has a lot of support on it. You gotta have a pretty level floor, or it'll crack on you. But so far, I mean, this stuff's pretty tough. I'll show you another video when it's all done at the end of this clip here, but I'll tag it on the back. But hopefully this weekend we'll have it all done. So we'll see you in a bit. Okay, folks, that's where we've gone so far. We're getting there. We're getting there. Gonna have to move some toolboxes and benches pretty soon to finish the other end, but so far, so good. Well, folks, it's Friday morning. I think we're gonna have this finished up today after I put everything back. Just want to let you know, hey, take a look. I gotta put all my toolboxes back, but I think this turned out really good. Easy to work with. The only thing I used was a square for the cuts. If you're just laying out pads, you don't need the square. I got a jigsaw with I just put my metal blade in it, cut through it like butter, and a nice rubber mallet to tap it together. And I would suggest, if it's really cold, to open your boxes up and let them get warm so you don't bust any tabs, which I didn't bust any. There was one busted in 10 cartons of this, but this stuff's nice. I can already feel the floor is warmer in here. It keeps your feet off the concrete, and it's probably going to retain a little more heat in here, which is pretty good, seeing all we got is really some stapled up insulation up here. But there you go, folks. That's the VEVOR floor. I wouldn't hesitate to buy more. Be nice in a shed, or I might even redo the cabin with it if I tear the floor up in there. So have a nice weekend.